Hello YouTube family, I'm back with you with another calendar kit crush. I'm trying to get all these done so I can knock this series out and we can move on to the end and get you guys involved in my crafting with me. So today we are going to be crafting calendar kit crush and using, I had 3 photos. It's probably getting under my, here we go. 3 photos of my family from my house opening, which was in my 2007. So we're gonna be scrapping these 3 photos. And here's the actual page from the calendar. It says give thanks, which I thought was very appropriate. So I'm going to be using this to back it, and all this stuff I have here I'm going to layer up, and let's see how this turns out. Here we go.
All right, you guys, let's get this started. Excuse my voice, I'm a little bit under the weather. I'm feeling a lot better, but my throat is still kind of scratchy, so I feel a little stuffy. So to get this layout started, I first fussy cut around the page, and I think this is the most I fussy cut on any of the layouts from the calendar kit so far. I just felt that this page lended itself to fussy cutting because of all of the extra pieces that were around it and the squareness of the actual page. So that's what I did. I just went ahead and fussy cut all of that extra off so that my background could do more of a focal piece of the layout. After I got that fussy cut out, I'm going to pull over all of the pieces that I intend to use and work on my background. So I'm going to situate the page of where I want it to go on the actual background, and I'm going to mark it with a pencil so that way when I'm done doing my mixed media, I'll know where to set the page. Missy, I don't remember her name. I'm going to have to link her below. I'm so sorry I messed up your name. I think her name is Missy Wooten. I don't know. I'll link her below. She does it a lot of mixed media, and I get inspired a lot of times by her videos because all of her mixed media on her backgrounds it just amazes me, guys. They're always so awesome. So I put some gesso on the background of where I wanted the splatters to go, and then I pulled over some inks that I'm going to use. I pulled 2 Heidi Swaps. That pink one and the green one are both Heidi Swap, and then that blue one, I don't remember where it's from, but I know it came from older Hip Kit Club kit. I used to subscribe to them a long time ago, but I stopped their subscription, but they are still good. A lot of their products are awesome, and a lot of them are exclusive to them. And so if you're looking for a kit to subscribe to get monthly inspiration and new product, then I would advise to join Hip Kit Club. They're really good. So yeah, I'm gonna get these splatters done and let my page dry. And once it's dry, I'm gonna pull back over everything and then start backing my photos. So there's the finished product of the layout, not the layout, the background. And now I'm gonna start backing my photo. I pull over these 3 different colored greens. Well, yeah, kind of green color papers. And that camera paper, because I knew I wanted to use those as backings for the photos. The blue paper, you've seen me use it before. It's the middle that was cut out of a recent page that I did. And I'm going to back the main page in that blue. And that's going to be the only matte that I do for that. For the smaller photos, I'm going to bring in all 3 of the colors. I'm going to bring in this pink, and then I'm going to back it with the green one, and then I'm going to back it on the blue one. So they're going to have 3 mattes for the smaller photos. because I felt like they're small enough that they could hold the weight of 3 layers as a backing, and it doesn't take away from the main photo on the page. I love when I'm doing a layout and my glue runs out, my tape runner runs out. That's always fun. So yeah, now I'm going to do the blue, and then the final layout is going to be that green teal looking color. Not the final layout, the final mat for the photos. Yeah, I'm going to use the polka dots. Once I get those cut, I'm going to get them stuck down to the layout. And then I'm going to turn my attention to the background again. Because this layout was so fun and colorful, and those little arrows there at the bottom, they reminded me of some brads that I had that were that shape. So I'm going to pull over some brads and use those in here in a second. Alright, getting this photo stuck down. Cleaning up. And yeah, I'm going to grab my background paper. And I'm looking for the markings I put on the paper earlier so that I'll know it's in the right location. And I think I'm going to, go ahead and get this glued down to the back. As I'm cleaning up, I noticed those little arrows, and this is where I pull over the brads. See the brads there? I pull those over, and I'm getting some more, because I felt like the ones that I pulled were just all the same size, and I wanted a variety of sizes. So I pull over my bin of brads, and I'm just going through those matching colors of what I want to use on the background. And all I'm going to do is poke a hole in some of the black circles that are on the background and just stick those in there for pops of color on the background, kind of add to the mixed media of my background. And in hindsight, you may not be able to see the splatters on the layout, but they're there. Yeah, see, this is where I'm just poking the holes. Be able to stick the brads in, and I'm gonna get those done. Now try not to put all the same colors on one side and the same sizes. I'm just gonna get all those put in the holes that I poked. This was a quick layout, and I love the way it came together. The story behind it is when we bought our house, we had a housewarming party, and these were my family members that showed up. So the main photo is like everybody, my aunts, my cousins, my sister, my second cousins, and then the 2 smaller photos are just my immediate cousins, and then the bottom photo is of my husband's family, my father-in-law, my husband, and a good close friend of theirs. Alright, now I'm just pulling over the embellishments that I'm going to use. I used a sticker that says "Right Now" that came from the calendar kit. That little yellow plus sign came from the calendar kit. It was part of the background. I just fussy cut it out. And now I'm just going to do my journaling. And I'm just writing about the story that I just told you about, the housewarming, and how it was so good to have my family come together and be with them for the day and them show so much love. And that's going to be it, guys. I'm going to call my layout done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.